to find a drill bit that is the same size as that. Can you find the one that looks like that size?
It's like black.
Well, it doesn't have to be black, but it has to be as big as this. See that? Which one? That one? Okay. You think that'll work?
Let's see. No.
You put it up next to that.
It's too big.
Okay, so let's go down one. Put that back.
And let's go try to find a bit.
Why don't you try this one right here?
Wow.
Try that one. What do you think about that?
And match.
It match. Should we use that one?
Let's see.
Well, it won't go in the hole, but that's okay. We don't want it to go that end to go in the hole. Yep. So let's put that through the wood though. Come here. Watch.
This wood.
This wood. So
And then go in here.
that, yes, sir. Yep. So what do you think about that? So now we got to turn it over and do that one. Okay? And pray that we got the right ones. How's that? You ready? Come on, you come pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. Ready? Pull. That's pretty good, huh? See if your screw will go in there. Might be a little tight. Oh, does it work? Did it come out? It came out. All right, so let's see if it'll fit there.
Over here,
What do you
hold
think?
it for me, right over here.
Nice.
Did we get the right hole? Let's see. Maybe we got to turn it around. Watch this. Hold on. Ready? Let's go this way with it. Okay, now come pick up this end over here. Let's see if we can find that hole. Can you see that? Oh, I see it. I see it.
I
See
did
it.
too.
Get it? Okay. Now let's see if we can get it to work. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. You gotta watch the hole for me.
What do I need?
Let's drop it down. Ready? Right there. Now let's see if we can see it.
I see
Oh,
it.
I see it. I see it. Did we get it? Okay, watch your eyeballs.
What?
Ready? Let's see if this does anything. Ready? Let's drill it out. Watch your eyes. Okay? I see it.
I see it.
Oh, tell me if it came through. Gotta look at the bottom. Look, see it came through. Did it come through? All right. So now what we're gonna do? Think you can put one of them on? Gotta go underneath. Gotta go underneath and put it on the screw. No, underneath. Down here. Come here and help me. Come here. See, look. See what I'm doing? Can you go do that on the other screw? Go find it. Just watch your head. See it?
I see it.
Okay.
You put it in that way.
You want some help?
I need some help here.
Okay. Let's go. Come on. Here, I'll get it started.
What?
How's that? Here, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. I got it started. You finish it for me.
What?
Okay? Go for it. Finish it for me. You doing okay? Yep, that's right. Just like this. Yeah, just like that. Good boy. Keep going.